In this video, I am going to show you step by step how to customize your Shopify store using the Impact theme. I will walk you through everything so that you can easily follow along and set up your store. Let's get started. First things first, we're currently on the Shopify. I have actually created already my store. This is actually what it looks like. So we have in here the setup guide, like adding the first product, designing store, payment methods, shipping rates, and domain. So if you want, you can sign up to Shopify using our link below. As you can see, they offer 3 days free trial with the first 3 months for only $1 per month and $20 for the main discount. So in order to head over to our actual impact team, go to the online store option. And then from in there, you can see the theme that you're currently in. So on default, we have Dawn theme as well as some other themes in tow. In order to change the Dawn theme that we have right now, we can head over right here to our theme library and you can see in here some popular free themes. We have Horizon, Savor, Vessel, and likes. However, we do not see in here the impact theme. What we can do is we can click on this visit theme store. And then from in there, they should be able to open the theme store of Shopify. Click onto this search icon and then search in here for impact. From the search results, you should be able to see in here the impact theme. Click on it. And then from in there, you can see this. So as you can see, the impact theme is around $400 and you can pay if you just publish. We have in here a limited free trial with a great positive review. For this one, let's head over and try this theme. Click on the list button right here, and then this will add this theme trial to your online store themes. Once it's been added, we can customize it to our liking. As you can see, we have successfully added the impact theme. Scroll down and you can find it right here under this. Now, if you already buy this impact theme, you can actually have the option to replace your current theme. But for now, let's try to customize it. From in there, it will open your Shopify editor. You can see in here all of the elements. We have the pop-up, we have our header group, overlay group, as well as the actual templates. As you have noticed, the impact theme has a lot more elements than other themes that we have. So it's actually taking a lot more speed in order to load. As of right now, it's actually kind of laggy and also plain. So we have the option to change what is right here. So in here, in order to actually change what's on the background for this, you can go to the template. It's actually the slideshow right here. You can just click on it or you can expand it. And in here, you can scroll down and we have in here the background. You have the option to input the full width enabled for the background and then change in here the background gradient, theme settings, and customizations. You can also input right here media size and input the original media ratio. Now, what better way to customize your theme is to actually use the power of Canva. You can sign up on our description below. You can find a link there and you can sign up for Canva in order to get some free deals on our actual channel. Once you're on your Canva and you have actually signed up, you can search for templates and you can search for Shopify. In here, you can see some Shopify templates that you would want. We have in here some Earth theme, and you can also base them on each category. We have banners, posts, stories, and you can also change the style for this. For example, let's choose elegant, and then this will filter all of those based on the actual tone that we have set. For example, let's use this one. Now click on this customize this template. Then after that, this will customize the template that we have right here. Now you can edit this template in order to add your logos, your brand colors, your brand typography, as well as other more. You can also edit the actual text we have right here. So for example, let's change the background as well as the color scheme that this banner have. Let's change it into something like blue. And then you can also use this color wheel right here in order to adjust it to your liking. Now we also have in here some images. You can click on that image. You can input right here photo colors and then change that as well. You can remove backgrounds and also blend the actual color that we have right here. So edit it to your liking as well. Now, the great thing about Canva is now they have an AI image generator. Just click onto this elements option and scroll down until you can see this, and you can generate your own. Just describe right here what you would like to create. So let's input right here blue flowers. Now this will generate this kind of image. It can be graphic as well or video. You can choose in here the style that you want as well as the actual layout or ratio for it. Click onto this generate image. As you can see, you will have 500 credits per month and it will refresh each month as well. So just wait for this to generate the image that you have actually inputted. Now it will give you in here some images that you can use. Just choose one and then you can actually add it right around here in order to actually neutralize what we have in here. Now once you're in here and once you're done actually creating, you can head over and then download this. Click onto the share option, click onto this download it as a PNG, and click onto this download button. Now once you're done downloading this, you can head back right here to your actual Shopify store. Then click on the image and select the image that we have downloaded right here. Now you have the option to upload the image. So just locate it within your computer and then add it right here. Once it's been added, you should be able to see it. It's been processed. You can head over and click on it and click on done. And then from in there, you can find it already into your actual slideshow. So as you can see, it's really looking good and you can actually edit the text we have, like for example, the text that we have right here as well as the slide title that we have. Now this is what it looks like. You can head over right here and then you can actually change your theme settings into blue. As you can see, we have in here white only. You can click onto this theme settings option, head over to the colors, and then from in there, we have the backgrounds, the text, as well as other options. As you can see right here, let's change the background into the hue of blue. So let's change it just like this. And it should be able to appear already from this part. As you can see on other themes, we do not have the success, warning, and error option. So it's only available on the impact theme. As you can see, each setting vary per theme as well. Now in here, we do not have yet any collections or products. So without further ado, save your progress first and head back to your Shopify store. Once you're on your Shopify store, we can head over right here to our homepage. You can have the option to import products or add product on your own one by one. For this case, you can click on import and you will be redirected to the products part. You can download the sample CSV or you can also import data from another platform. For this case, I'll just upload a Shopify formatted CSV file and click on next. From this, just click on this add file and add a CSV that you want. So depending on how many products your CSV have, we have in here a preview of that. We have in here 110 images with 20 products. You can click on this import product and it may take some time for this to be actually added to your store. So if you already have an existing CSV, you can just input that or you can also download their sample CSV and then input your actual data into it. While it's actually loading, you can close this first right now and then we can head over right here to their apps. Onto the apps right here, you can click onto the Shopify App Store and it will actually open the Shopify App Marketplace. Using some particular apps on Shopify can help boost your visibility. For this case, click onto the search bar and search in here for Judge. So Judge.me have a lot of apps that they can actually offer. So let's see in here some. We have product reviews, we have reviews importer, as well as some other like product bundles, notify back in stock, buy me stocks and options. For example, let's choose in here this buy me sticky buy button. So in here, click onto this install. And then if you haven't signed up yet, you can also sign up using our link on the description below so you can get some free trial or a discount on the plan that this particular buy me button have. From in here, head over and click onto this install. And then this should be able to install it into your actual store on Shopify. As you can see right here, we have different plans on the Buy Me button. Using our link below can actually save you around 50%. For this one, let's head over and start free first. And let me show you a quick setup on how to do it. Now just enable the actual sticky buy button option and click on continue. Enable the app embed using your actual Shopify store. As you can see right here, it's now enabled. Now from there, head over and click on save in order to save the progress that you have made so far. Now let's head over and see if our products have already been added. As you can see, the products are now added and they should be able to reflect right here into the actual sections or the product section of our actual store. Once it's in there, you can just leave it as it is from now. Now let's head over again into our actual Shopify and let's head over to our actual homepage. Into your homepage, you can see in here the setup guide. As you can see, we already done the product part. We can already select our theme, but now we can add some payment methods. Head over and click on the disactivate option. And then from in there, this should open right here the settings. Under the payments, you can find right here the setup for your payment providers. So on default, we will have PayPal as our primary payment method. You can click on this setup incomplete. And then from in there, make sure to connect the email that you're using on your Shopify into this PayPal Express checkout. Just head over and click onto this complete setup and then log in from there. Another option that we can do is if you want to expand your own database, you can add another payment method. So depending on your region, you can see in here other payment methods that your actual region support. We have in here and you can search by payment method as well as by provider. So in here, let's try to search some. As you can see, we have Visa. Let's try to input or incorporate Visa and it will give you some options like Ping Pong Checkout, To Checkout, Hit Pay, Atome, and a lot more. So do take note that this depends on your region. Just choosing here which one you want. I'll choose in here this Ping Pong Checkout since they have no transaction fee and they support around 50 plus providers. Click on it. And then in there, you can find in here the actual activate or install option. You can click on the install button. And if you haven't have a Ping Pong account yet, head over and then sign up for our Ping Pong account. And then from in there, just wait for them and you should be able to find a free discount or a free trial for this. Once you're done, you can install it directly into your Shopify in order to integrate it to your actual store. You will be redirected right here to the checkout, so make sure to sign up using our link below. Once you're done adding your actual payment methods, you can review your shipping rates and you can also customize your domain. As of right now, our domain is actually this mix of letters and numbers, which is actually not looking really good. What you can do is you can click on the this customize option right here, or you can also head over to your settings and then go over to the main part of your settings on your Shopify. Once you're in there, you can connect an existing domain or buy a new domain. So speaking of domains, I actually recommend you to use Namecheap. So this is what Namecheap looks like. You can just input right here the domain that you want to use. Like for example, let's say put in here art for sale. Click onto the search option. And then they will give you some domain suggestions and some suggestions for the extension itself. Once you have in here, we have the deals, for sale, sale, net, org. We also have .com. We also have some subdomains. So in here, you can see the price of each domain per year right there. So some domains are actually quite premium that range around thousands of dollars. So the cheapest right now is this .it.com, which is a subdomain. You can head over and then click onto this add to cart, and you can use our link and coupon below in order to get an existing discount based on to this purchase that you want to do. From this, click onto this checkout, and once you have bought this, you can head back to your Shopify. Input right here the actual domain name. And then once you have inputted right here the domain name, you can click onto this next. and then integrate it into your Shopify store. So that's all there is today about our impact theme tutorial on Shopify. I hope this video helped you out a lot based on the details that I have actually given you. Thank you so much for watching.